If you are hearing these words, it may feel like more than coincidence. Carl Jung called such moments synchronicity, events with no clear causal link that nonetheless arrive charged with personal meaning. A friend rings just as you think of them. The right sentence appears on the day a question grows urgent. Consider this recording another instance, an echo of readiness rather than chance. Before we discuss influencing circumstances, ask who does the influencing. You are the awareness that notices thoughts, emotions, and sensations as they pass. Body and mind are instruments. Awareness is the musician. Because it can witness ideas before they bloom into action, awareness is inherently creative. Every time you compose a sentence, shape clay, or picture a future home, you show the point. From nothing, something appears. Creation follows attention. Ancient maxims say, as above, so below, and physics offers a parallel. In the double-slit experiment, a particle remains a haze of possibilities until it is observed. The very act of noticing collapses that haze into one result. Human focus works the same way. A mental image, held with feeling and repetition, tilts the odds in its favor. You do not bully reality. You select the version that matches your signal. Selection can be trained. First, phrase intentions as facts already true. I move through work with clarity, not I hope to be less distracted. The subconscious obeys present tense instructions. Second, aim at what you desire, not at what you fear. Attention poured into obstacles only deepens their grooves. Third, practice a 5-step focus ritual. Recognize a creative field exists. Recognize you are inseparable from it. Envision the result in vivid completion. Give sincere thanks as though it were already secured. Then release the picture and return to the moment, trusting the process. At the same time, keep the viewing glass clean. Unresolved emotion, rigid belief, and unexamined memory act like smudges that bend whatever you project. Reflection, movement, breath work, generous sleep, and time in nature all help polish the mirror. Honest dialogue, journaling, and quiet attention wipe the glass, restoring the native brightness of awareness. Meaning is not waiting to be discovered. It is authored. Life offers the canvas. Attention moves the brush. If these ideas resonate, let them serve as a gentle reminder. The architect you seek is the one listening now.